Fiverr Blueprint. I mean what you should do to dominate in Fiverr.com. Fiverr has taken the internet by storm. There is really no other way to say it. This little freelancing platform could have totally transformed people's expectations of getting and providing freelance services through an online exchange format. It seems that Fiverr has solved the two most common problems freelance platforms have historically struggled with. Fiverr not only offers a ton of services from a wide range of eager providers from all over the world, but it also is able to pull in lots of buyers. When you put these two factors together, it is no surprise that Fiverr has become the go-to freelance service destination on the internet. Also, given its low-cost profile compared to other freeform or custom-order freelance resources, Fiverr stands to continue to attract a lot of buyer attention. Now let's take a look at the Fiverr Blueprint. What you must learn to win on Fiverr. Follow the blueprint below. 1. Create a Fiverr account. 2. Create gig extras. 3. Generate traffic to your profile. Profile optimization. How to create gig extras. Level 1. 1. 30 days active. 2. Complete at least 10 orders. 3. Maintain 4 stars rating and above. 4. Low cancellation rate. Level 2. 1. Complete at least 50 orders in 2 months. 2. 4. 5 stars rating or above. 3. Low cancellation rate. Level 3. 1. Maintain a high star rating. 2. Exceptional customer care. 3. Low cancellation rate. 4. Leadership. 5. Volume of sales. How to generate traffic to your profile. 1. Promote your gig on social media channels. 2. Join groups or forums related to Fiverr. 3. Accumulate positive reviews. 4. Pick a target niche. 5. Advert campaigns. How to get 5-star rating. 1. Deliver good quality work. 2. Over-deliver. How to optimize your profile. 1. Display the best-seller gig offers you have. 2. Choose one profile picture that represents you or your business. 3. A one-line statement that describes you. 4. A simple yet precise description of you in the About section. 5. Display your famous gig and gig description. Advantages. There is really one advantage worth talking about here. You get a higher dollar value per unit of time and work you put in. You end up working less and earning more than the normal way of making money on Fiverr.